Hey guys, Adam with Behm Muscle Joint Clinic. We got Katie with us today for our Stretch Saturday video. And then this video we're going to go over a kind of a global T-spine extension. So this will be like a foam roller extension, and then we're going to use a kettlebell or some type of counterweight to kind of make it a little bit more aggressive. So basically with this stretch we're trying to promote extension through our thoracic spine. So a lot of us are just lacking in extension. So extension meaning our mid-back just kind of getting back into extension, not forward and not flex, kind of moving us back posteriorly. So for this exercise or stretch, you'll want to use a foam roller, and you'll kind of place this right about your mid-back. So we'll place it low on Katie, and then her goal is to try to keep her hips down on the mat, to try to not let her hips hike, and then she can kind of use that weight as a counterbalance. She can kind of let her head hang a little bit, and she doesn't want her rib cage to flare. So as she reaches her arms up, she doesn't want her rib cage to flare, or else you're not inducing extension. You're just kind of laying across the foam roller. So for this, she's trying to almost like sink into the foam roller. So just kind of let her back bend into the foam roller. You should really feel it pull, because a lot of us are kind of more anterior. So this should feel kind of a pretty good stretch. It's a pretty good movement through your mid-back. You might feel a little pop here or there. That's normal. That's just a little cavitation through your spine. If you feel a pop and pain, obviously stop and then give us a call. But no, this exercise we're just trying to work on global T-spine extension. So this would be a great stretch for you to do. Pretty much anybody, desk worker, anyone that spends a majority of your time kind of anterior forward, which is a lot of us.